In a small village stood an old clock shop, run by a man known as Baba Àquil. He often claimed he possessed a clock that could stop time, but only once. Most people laughed it off, but Baba always smiled mysteriously. One day a young boy named ریحان came to the shop. His mother was on her deathbed, and he desperately wanted more time with her. Without a word, Baba handed him a small silver pocket watch and whispered, "Press it when your heart tells you." Time will freeze, ریحان ran home. As his mother called his name with fading breath, he pressed the button. Time stopped. The wind halted, birds froze midair, and even the tears on his cheek hung still. In this paused moment, ریحان sat beside his mother, held her hand, and spoke to her endlessly. But soon he realized frozen time meant frozen life. No heartbeat, no warmth, just silence. With a heavy heart, he pressed the watch again. Time resumed. His mother exhaled her final breath and fell silent. The next morning, Baba Àquil's shop was shut. No sign of him remained, as if he, too, had vanished into the folds of time.